Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Good Governance Index 2021. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Union Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation released the Good Governance Index 2021 on Good Governance Day. It is prepared by the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, that is DARPG. Now moving on to the key findings of the index. Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa top the composite rank score covering 10 sectors. Gujarat has performed strongly in 5 of the 10 sectors. Maharashtra has performed strongly in agriculture and allied sector, human resource development, public infrastructure and utilities, social welfare and development. UP has secured top position in the commerce and industry sector and has also shown increase in social welfare and development and judiciary and public safety. Jharkhand has performed strongly in 7 sectors of the 10 sectors. Rajasthan has topped the other states, that is Group B category in judiciary and public safety, environment and citizen-centric governance. Mizoram has performed strongly in commerce and industry, human resource development, public health and economic governance. Jammu and Kashmir has performed strongly in the commerce and industry sector and has improved its scores in the agriculture and allied sector, public infrastructure and utilities, and judiciary and public safety sectors. In the Union Territories category, Delhi tops the composite rank. Now let's understand what is Good Governance Index. It is an implementable and comprehensive framework that assesses the state of governance across the Indian states and union territories, enabling ranking of states and districts. The aim of the Good Governance Index is to create a tool that can be used uniformly across the states for assessing the impact of various interventions that are taken up by central and state governments. Now let's discuss about GGI 2021, Governance Sectors and Indicators. Good Governance Index, that is GGI 2021 framework, covered 10 sectors and 58 indicators. The sectors of GGI 2020-21 are agriculture and allied sectors, commerce and industries, human resource development, public health, public infrastructure and utilities, economic governance, social welfare and development, judicial and public security, environment, and citizen-centric governance. The GGI 2020-21 categorizes states and union territories into 4 categories, that is, other states, that is Group 1, other states, that is Group B, Northeast and Hill states, and union territories. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statement or statements. 1. Good Governance Index 2021 prepared by the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. 2. In the Union Territories category, Chandigarh has topped the composite rank. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.